I'm Tyler Lowry, and welcome to my crib.
Origami makes us paper boy together with
Lucid.
The tube slides together. That was really fun. Later, we might go back to Universal. Do it again. I dare you.
origami makes us paper square.
This is the perfect temperature water.
It's the best temperature water. Let's see our
Oh, hey there. Just so y'all know, I waited 30 minutes for that grand finale and it wasn't so grand. Hey, I'm Tyler Lowry, and welcome to my crib. Over here, we have the kitchen with the fridge, oven, microwave. We got the fruit. We got the donuts. We got the water. Room numero uno. Oh, we got this nice, luscious living room as well. Big couch turns into bed. Oh, is this a closet? Nah, it's our size. We have our nice little, our own little living room slash kitchen. We got the water. We got the ice. That's all you really need. Hydration is key. This is our room. As you can tell, the bed is not made because Jalen decided not to make him. But over here, our own balcony. Comes with underwear, what can I say? Nice view of tennis courts and the parking lot. And here we have Jalen's mess. This is the toilet. Look at this. Our living room. And this is my crib.